the little martini, and here are the cookies. Cranberry, white chocolate, macadamia nut cookies with a cranberry martini. Hi, welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. This week for our cookie cocktail combos, CCC. See that? I am going to do white chocolate cranberry macadamia nut cookies, and I am going to pair it with a cranberry martini. So we're going to start with the cookies. So already I have 1 cup of butter, so that's 2 sticks, creamed together with a cup of brown sugar and a cup of white sugar. I'm going to incorporate 4 tablespoons of orange zest. I'm going to get every little inch because I might be short of 2 eggs, and the vanilla. And we're going to cream that together. And I'm going to combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder to 3 cups of flour. Kind of mix that together so it goes in evenly. Are you backing up because you don't want the flour to get on you?
No, it's very different.
This is kind of an easy recipe. This is preparing everyone for their holiday. These are great combos for like holiday parties. So this is why we're doing them in the month of October.
Yeah.
So you guys can know ahead of time. Oh, I knew that was going to happen to me one time. Where's that little cover thing? It happens to the best of us, I guess. We do need to invent a mixer where you can get the flour right into it.
Well, lip.
Look at this thing covered in flour. Okay, to that, these are the goodies. There's a cup and a half each of macadamia nuts, dried cranberries, and white chocolate chips. I'm going to see how these mix in. Doesn't that seem like they're going to be like beefy little cookies?
Yeah. You got that a bit.
No, I didn't. 2 macadamia nuts flew out. This is going to be a cleanup for somebody. Maybe Danny will do it. Oh. This is how you get it off the... Tori, you want to see my dough? You want to see my dough? Doesn't that look good? A lot of chunkiness in there. If you remember last week, Tori did the Dolce cinnamon martini and the gingerbread cookies, right? See, we're getting ready for the holidays. That little martini was strong. Okay, when I come back, I'm gonna scoop them out and bake them in the oven, and then I'm gonna make my martini. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hi, I'm back. So these are the cookies. They're gonna go in there for 10 minutes.
Big ass cookies.
Are you being sarcastic?
No.
And the martini that I have prepared for this pairing is a cranberry martini. So in here I have 3 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, which I used triple sec, 1.5 ounce of simple syrup. Today is just not my day. And 3 ounces of cranberry juice. I'm not touching anything else. Let's see how this looks for the pairing.
You not shake
Oh,
it?
it's not as red. I did shake it. I didn't want to shake it on camera. It's not as red as I thought it was. Dan, come and taste this martini.
Danny boy.
Come and taste this one. He doesn't like the citrus in these cookies, so he's not going to be my taste tester for that.
I'm not big on orange zesty cookies.
Do you want to just taste the little one? Or do you want...
I prefer the bigger one, but
Yeah.
Well,
What do you taste?
I don't know what it tastes now.
Finish that one
I
and
just
try the
woke
big one.
up, so I don't know.
Well, now I want to taste it.
Also cheese.
Oh, that is good. Cranberry, orange liqueur.
Can't really taste it.
I didn't put too much vodka in this one. The last week we did the
That's not that strong. The last one and the other one. They're both good.
Tori, you want to come and taste it?
They're both good.
I'm just kidding. I love her. She probably doesn't want to drink because she's going to drive. Okay, so this is my pairing. I didn't have anything fun to garnish it with, which you can do yourself, I guess. What does it say on here? Crushed cranberries. So dried cranberries, you would have to crush them and probably use an orange to make it wet on the rim. As soon as we come back, the cookies will be out and my little segment will be done because today's been a rough day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hi, welcome back. Cookies are out of the oven. They smell delicious, don't
They
they?
smell very good.
There's the little martini. And here are the cookies. Cranberry, white chocolate, macadamia nut cookies with a cranberry martini. And Tori's going to be my taste tester.
What do you do first? The cookie or the martini?
I'll do the cookie first. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Are they good?
Oh, very good.
And wash them down.
Citrusy.
Citrusy, yeah, because there's the orange zest. That's why Danny's not the taste tester. He doesn't like citrus. Cheers.
And that's good too. What is this?
Cranberry martini.
Good. Mm-hmm. You should make these. These are good. These are very good. These are delicious.
The recipe will be posted. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Next week, we're going to do a Halloween themed pairing. Thank you for tuning in. I don't know how to end.